Jump rope, not just for kids anymore. Let's talk about jump rope, man. It's not just for kids on the playground. This is serious training. I'm talking about a workout that can transform your fitness, improve your coordination, and build some real strength. It's time to ditch the treadmill and rediscover the power of the rope. Jumping rope is a full-body workout. It engages your legs, core, and even your arms. It's all about rhythm and coordination, man. You're constantly moving, building stamina and endurance. Plus, it's a killer cardio workout. We're talking heart-pumping, lung-busting intensity. But here's the beauty of it. Jump rope is accessible. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment. All you need is a rope and a little bit of space. You can do it at home, at the park, even in your hotel room. It's the ultimate portable workout. So if you're looking for a challenge, a way to switch up your routine, jump rope is it. It's a workout that's as demanding as it is rewarding. Trust me, you'll feel the burn. But you'll also see the results. A history of champions jump rope in athletics. Don't think for a second that jump rope is just some fad workout. It's been around forever. And I'm talking about serious athletes using it. Guys like Roberto Duran, the legendary boxer. He used jump rope for his footwork, agility, and conditioning. And look at what he accomplished in the ring. Think about it. Boxers need speed, coordination, and endurance. Jump rope hits all of that. It's not just about jumping up and down. It's about timing, rhythm, and moving your body in different ways. It's about building that mind-muscle connection. And it's not just boxing. Athletes from all kinds of sports use jump rope. Basketball players, football players, even MMA fighters, they all recognize the benefits of this simple yet effective tool. It's about building a solid foundation of fitness and coordination that translates to any sport. So when you're jumping rope, you're tapping into a legacy of athleticism. You're following in the footsteps of champions, and you're giving yourself a workout that's tried and true. Mastering the basics. Starting your jump rope journey. Okay, so you're ready to give jump rope a shot. First things first, you need a decent rope. Don't go for the cheap plastic ones. You want something with a bit of weight, something that feels good in your hands. There are speed ropes, weighted ropes, even beaded ropes. Start with a basic one and work your way up. Now the key is to start slow. Don't try to do some crazy tricks right off the bat. Just focus on the basic jump. Find your rhythm. Get comfortable with the timing. It's all about repetition, building that muscle memory. Start with short intervals. Jump for a minute, rest for 30 seconds. Repeat that a few times. As you get better, increase the jump time and decrease the rest. Listen to your body. Don't overdo it. Remember, it's a process. You're not going to be a jump rope master overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Section 4. Level up your workout intermediate techniques. Once you've got the basic jump down, it's time to start mixing things up. We're talking about adding variations to challenge your body and keep things interesting. One of my favorites is the alternate foot jump. It's like running in place, but with a rope. You're alternating feet with each rotation of the rope, which really gets your heart rate up. It's great for coordination and agility too. Another great one is the double under. That's where you swing the rope under your feet twice with each jump. It takes a bit of practice, but once you get it, it's a game changer. It's an incredible test of timing and explosiveness. The key is to gradually incorporate these techniques into your routine. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with a few reps of each variation, then slowly increase the number as you get stronger. Section 5. Advanced jump rope training, unleashing the athlete within. Now, for you experienced jumpers out there, let's talk about taking it to the next level. We're talking about advanced techniques that will push your limits and unlock your athletic potential. Let's start with speed ropes. These ropes are thinner and lighter, designed for rapid rotations. They allow you to jump faster and burn even more calories. Plus, they're great for developing hand speed and coordination. Then, there are weighted ropes. These bad boys add resistance, making each rotation more challenging. They're perfect for building upper body strength and power. You'll feel the burn in your forearms and shoulders. And for a real challenge, try the crisscross jump. This one takes some serious coordination. You're crossing your arms in front of you with each jump, creating a figure-8 pattern with the rope. It's a killer workout for your core and coordination. But remember, these advanced techniques are not for beginners. Make sure you've mastered the basics before attempting them, and always listen to your body. Don't push yourself beyond your limits. Section 6. Jump rope for a healthier you. Beyond the athletic benefits, jumping rope is just plain good for you. We're talking about a full-body workout that torches calories, strengthens your heart, and even improves your bone density. First off, let's talk about calorie burn. Jump rope is a calorie-crushing machine. You can burn upwards of 1,000 calories an hour, depending on your intensity. That's more than running, swimming, and even cycling. It's also fantastic for your cardiovascular health. It gets your heart pumping and your lungs working, improving your VO2 max, which is a measure of your body's ability to utilize oxygen. This translates to better endurance and stamina in all aspects of life. And believe it or not, jumping rope is good for your bones. The impact of each jump helps to increase bone density, reducing your risk of osteoporosis later in life. It's a great way to keep your bones strong and healthy. Section 7. Join the movement. Finding support and motivation. Look, jumping rope can be a solo activity, but it's even better with others. Find a workout buddy, join a jump rope class, or connect with the online community. There are tons of resources out there, from instructional videos to workout challenges. Being part of a community can provide that extra boost of motivation and accountability. You can share tips, encourage each other, and push each other to be your best. Plus, it's just more fun to jump rope with others. So, grab a rope, find your rhythm, and get ready to experience the transformative power of jump rope training. It's a workout that's challenging, rewarding, and most importantly, fun. And who knows, you might just unleash your inner athlete in the process.